line. You know I saw you little cunt rag clit. Isn't clit a dirty word to call someone? My new word is calling someone a clit. You know Beth is a clit? Do you know Beth is a big clit that she likes to stuff?
Beth, we're going to eat breakfast tomorrow.
Beth likes to stuff Greg Oden's cock up her clit. It's okay, she likes it big. Chris said that wasn't nice. I said it's okay, she likes it big. Are you recording me? You little slut. I'm gonna punish you in the deepest, darkest way. That sounds so dirty. Oh my god, I love that pizza. The pizza's so good. What's the best kind of pizza you ever had? Cheese pizza's gross. It smells like salami pussy. I hate cheese pizza. My favorite cheese pizza is brownie and pie. Stop taping me, you little slut. Beth is taping me, looking at my hands and my vagina. Isn't that wrong? Shouldn't one's vajayjay be wiped on her?